ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to... Oops, did you slip the door open?
I opened the door because you told me to.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Lily and Dada show. It's very good, you might say. It's very, very, very good. And this is what I want to do to you. I'm going to ask you a question, audience. Well, it might be rusty outside, but it's not now. Because I really don't know how to do it. I don't know how to give you some candy because I don't have any candy. We might have used all the candy, but I bet I have a little extra candy for you. Maybe, but I don't know because my bunny has long straight ears. So looks for straight ears. Well, my bunny hides.